Hello and welcome to Philadelphia Virtual Academy. Welcome to the parent's perspective of what it means to be the parent of a virtual student. We want to equip you with steps for success. You will notice that this parent is multitasking. She is on the phone. She is helping her daughter learn, and she is working on her computer. And in the midst of all that, she still has a smile on her face. And that is our desire for you, that in the midst of parenting and in the midst of helping your student learn, that you would still have a smile on your face. Here are some tips to help your student find success. Number one, time management. Please help your student manage his or her time. Self-advocacy. Learn how to ask proper questions that lead to a successful outcome. Number three, equip them with academic skills. Number four, help them remember to check their email daily. And number five, always remind them that they can have an open mind, and that an open mind helps learning. As a middle school parent, you can see the requirements in front of you. What you really want to do is you want to help them oversee their coursework completion. Help your student ask questions in the virtual office when they're communicating with their teachers. Help them to ask good and specific questions. And then while we would want you to assist them with the lessons, that does not necessarily mean doing the work for them. It helps them to have someone to understand what the directions are in a lesson and what the lesson requires for them to complete. So that is the type of assistance we would want to see from you. And then monitor their internet use and make sure they're staying on task. Again, as a high school parent, you see the requirements before you. Again, help them in a way that would provide them time management, and then help them also to oversee their coursework completion. Communicate regularly with the teachers, and then again monitor their internet usage. The virtual office you're going to find is open Monday through Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on Fridays from 7:30 until 4. A teacher for each subject and content area is always in the VO at all times. It's the best way to get help from teachers is in the virtual office, and students in that platform have an opportunity to take a screenshot of the assignment or the problem or question they're working on, and to post it into the virtual office so the teacher can help the student directly and specifically. What it takes from you as a parent, make sure that your child is logging in for at least 5 hours a day. Make sure they're completing their assignments, that they have access to high-speed internet, that they're asking questions when they need help, and that they're taking care of their laptop. Be sure to check your email daily. Check your child's progress on a daily basis. And if there are any parent meetings, please remember to attend them. Our recommendation for attending a virtual school is that your child should be logged in 5.5 hours a day, 27.5 hours per week. That is in alignment with the requirements of the Pennsylvania Department of Education and in alignment with school code. So we want to make sure that your student has 990 hours of instruction in keeping with PA school code. So again, when you break this down, this ends up being about 1 hour per day per course. Finally, it is our pleasure to work with you. This is all about a partnership. We are here to support you, help you, and the team together to make sure that the home, school, and student experience is everything that it should be in order to place your child in a position for success. So we wish you well. Thank you again for choosing PVA.